my friends, today we are going to be talking about increase and invisible decreased. Very important for your Amigurumi projects. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Diana and I created this channel as a way for my friends to learn how to crochet. So if you're new here, welcome, and I'm so glad that you're here. Peep my buddy back here. This is Fiona, and she likes to crochet too, as you can tell. Increasing and decreasing can be tricky if you're new to crochet. I am going to be focusing on the increase and decrease stitches for Amigurumi. Also, if you're enjoying today's content, please consider liking and subscribing. It actually helps my channel to grow. Thanks for watching. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to do an increase and how to do an invisible decrease. Remember, practice makes perfect. You'll get the hang of increases and invisible decreases. When you want to expand your work and create a wider or fuller shape, increasing stitches is the way to go. This is crucial for projects like hats, amigurumi, or anything that requires shaping. There are several ways to increase stitches in crochet, including single crochet increase, half double crochet increase, and double crochet increase. Each method has its own unique effect on the texture and appearance of your work. I'm going to be demonstrating the single crochet. When you make your amigurumi, you usually start with 6 in your magic ring. So for an increase with the single crochet, you would put 2 single crochet in your first stitch. This is an increase. It's just putting 2 of the same stitches into a stitch. Pretty basic and pretty simple. If your magic ring is 6 and you put 2 in each stitch, do some math there. 2 times 6 is 12. So there you go. There's the increase. Super simple. Now let's talk about the decrease. Similar to increases, there are various ways to decrease stitches in crochet, such as the single crochet decrease, half double crochet decrease, and double crochet decrease. Understanding these techniques allows you to control the shape and structure of your project with precision. This is our example of an invisible decrease. When I say invisible decrease, it means that you can't see it when you reduce it. That's just what it means. And decrease is abbreviated DEC. I have seen it capitalized and I have seen it capital D, little e, little c, and I have seen it just DEC in lowercase as well. So when you see DEC, that means decrease. Front loop of the first stitch, the front loop of the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through. That's your decrease. You want to make sure that you don't, when you go into the next one, if you have to decrease, you don't want to pull it into this stitch here. You want it to go into the next one. So again, first loop there, the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Again, make sure you don't grab that. The front loop here, the front loop here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And there is the decrease. Cut that whole blah, 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 blah.